Your new Mazda is available with Apple CarPlay integration, which is a smarter way to access some of the features and apps of your iPhone while driving. Which means you can use Siri for hands-free calling. From any CarPlay or Mazda Connect screen, you can just press the talk button on the steering wheel. Then use the appropriate command, call
Mom.
and Siri will locate the person you want to call.
Calling Mom.
Or using the commander knob, you can access your CarPlay apps. Scroll left or right to select phone.
Tell me if you'd like to make a call or check your voicemail.
Then find your recent calls or contacts. Scroll through them until you find the one you want to call. Press the commander knob and your call will be made.